Hello friends, today I am going to explain you the lesson Eidgah. This story is written by Munshi Premchand. Eidgah means where mass prayers are offered by Muslims on special occasions or festivals such as Ramjan, Bakrid. Eid means festival and Gah means a place of prayers. So here this Eidgah is during Ramjan festival. So let us go on to the lesson. रमजान के पूरे 30 रोज़ों के बाद आज ईद आई है। कितना मनोहर, कितना सुहावना प्रभात। वृक्षों पर कुछ अजीब हरियाली है, खेतों में कुछ अजीब रौनक है, आसमान पर कुछ अजीब लालिमा है। आज का सूर्य देखो, कितना प्यारा, कितना शीतल है, मानो संसार ईद की बधाई दे रही है। ईदगाह जाने की तैयारियां हो रही है। During Ramzan festival time, the people keeps fasting for 30 days before Ramzan festival. 30 days before only they'll start keeps fasting every day. Early morning they used to have something, and evening after namaz, after seeing the star or moon, they'll have something. So uh, after 30 days, today is Ramjan festival. The day was very lovable, pleasant. The um, the trees are looking complete different. Means look, the climate is looking complete different, full of greenery like that. The farm is looking very beautiful, very pleasant. The sky looks like it's blushing. If you see the sun, it looks very cool and very different, very pleasant. It feels like the entire world is greeting on this great occasion. Everyone is getting ready to go in ईदगाह. लड़के सबसे ज़्यादा प्रसन्न हैं, बार बार जेब से खजाना निकाल कर गिनते हैं। महमूद गिनता है 1, 2, 10, 12। उसके पास 12 पैसे हैं। मौसिन के पास 15 पैसे हैं। इनसे अनगिनत चीज़ों लाएगा, खिलौने, मिठाइयाँ, बिगुल, गेंद और ना जाने क्या क्या। और सबसे ज़्यादा प्रसन्न है हामिद। वह बाली सूरत का 4-5 साल का दुबला पतला लड़का था। उसका पिता गत वर्ष हैजे की भेंट हो गया और माँ न जाने क्यों पीली पड़ती गई और एक दिन वह परलोक सिधर गई। किसी को पता न चला कि आखिर अचानक यह क्या हुआ। For this festival, the boys were very happy. Always they are checking their pockets and counting the money, whatever they had. First, Mohammed is counting the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12. He had complete 12 paise. Mohsin had 15 paise. From that, he'll buy uncountable things like toys, sweets, ball, and many other. And here the boy Hamid is very happy. He was just 4-5 year old boy, looking very lanky, means very thin and weak. Last year his father was expired and his mother don't know what happened. Slowly she becomes so sick, and one day she died. Nobody understand actually what happened. अब हामिद अपनी दादी अमीना की गोदी में सोता है। दादी अम्मा हामिद से कहती है कि उसके अब्बा जान रुपए कमाने गए हैं। अम्मी जान अल्लाह मियाँ के घर से उसके लिए बहुत सी चीज़ें लाने गई है। आशा तो बड़ी चीज़ है। हामिद के पाँव में जूते नहीं हैं, सिर पर एक पुरानी टोपी है जिसका गोटा काला पड़ गया है, फिर भी वह प्रसन्न है। Now Hamid is living with her grandmother. He used to sleep in her granny's laps. Grandmother says to Hamid that his father went to earn money and his mother went to God to bring different things for him. Hope is a very big thing. Hope can make many things possible. Even Hamid don't have chapels to wear. He had an old cap which becomes very black and tidy. Um, Even though he was very happiest person. अभागिन अमीना अपनी कटोरी में बैठी रो रही है। आज ईद का दिन है और उसके घर में दाना तक नहीं है, लेकिन हामिद उसके अंदर प्रकाश है, बाहर आशा की किरण। हामिद भीतर जाकर दादी से कहता है, तुम डरना नहीं अम्मा, मैं सबसे पहले आऊँगा, बिल्कुल ना डरना। This poor Amina is sitting in a hut and crying. Today is a festival and she don't have at least some grains to cook in the home. But Hamid is only for her. He is an inside light and outside hope for her. Hamid goes inside and says, Granny, you don't scare for me. I'll reach first to home. Don't bother about me. Like that, he is giving he is promising to her, you don't bother for me, I'll reach to home, I'll be careful in the Eidgah, so you don't bother for me. Like that, he is promising her. Then सॉरी अमीना का दिल कचोट रहा है। गांव के बच्चे अपने पिता के साथ जा रहे हैं। हामिद का अमीना के सिवा कौन है? भीड़ में बच्चा कहीं खो गया तो क्या होगा? 3 कोस चलेगा कैसे? पैरों में छाले पड़ जाएंगे, जूते भी तो नहीं हैं। वह थोड़ी दूर चलकर उसे गोदी ले लेगी, लेकिन सेवियां कौन पकाएंगे? पैसे होते तो लौटते लौटते सारी सामग्री जमा करके झटपट बना लेती। यह तो चीज़ जमा करते करते घंटों लगेंगे। Amina is feeling very bad. All children in the village are going with their elders, like parents, guardians, like that. For Hamid, except Amina, nobody else is there. She is thinking that if he miss anywhere in the crowd, how he will walk for 3 kilometers. If he get legs pain, he don't have even he don't have chapels also. She can go along with him, but who will prepare sweet at home? If I had money, I can prepare after reaching home, but I don't but I have to color the things one by one. It takes a lot, it takes very long time, so I can't go. Like that, she is bothering for him. गांव से मेला चला और बच्चों के साथ हमें जा रहा था। शहर का दामन आ गया। सड़क के दोनों ओर अमीरों की बगीचे हैं। बड़ी बड़ी इमारतें, अदालत, कॉलेज, क्लब, घर आदि दिखाई देते लगे। ईदगाह जाने वालों की टालियां नजर आने लगी। एक से एक भड़कीले वस्त्र पहने हुए हैं। See, there was a fair there was a fair. Hamid went along with his friends. While they were going to the city, on the way, both the sides there was a very big buildings, very attractive. The view of the Eidgah started and also fair. सहसा ईदगाह नजर आई और उसी के पास ईद का मेला। नमाज पूरी होते ही सब बच्चे मिठाई और खिलौनों की दुकानें पर धावा बोल देते। हामिद दूर खड़ा है, उसके पास केवल 3 पैसे है। मोहसिन बिजली खरीदता है, मोहम्मद सिपाही, नूरे वकील और सम्मी धोबिन। हामिद खिलौनों को ललचाई आंखों से देखता है। वह अपने आप को समझाता है, मिट्टी के तो है, गिरे तो चकनाचूर हो जाए। फिर मिठाइयों की दुकानें आती है। किसी ने रेवड़ियाँ ली, किसी ने गुलाब जामुन, किसी ने सोहन हलवा। मोहसिन कहता है, हामिद रेवड़ी ले ले। हामिद ने कहा, रखे रहो, क्या मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं? See what happened. After completion of the namaz, all the children ran away to the sweet shops, toy shops, but Hamid stood far away from them. He had only 3 paise. Mohsin purchases bishti. Bishti means one who carries water in a leather bag. Okay. Muhammad purchases soldier toy. Noore purchases wakil. All these are toys. Vakil. Sammi purchases washerwoman toys. Hamid wants everything, everything. His eyes feels that he too wants that. But Hamid explains to himself, these all are made up of clay. If it falls down, it will break. Later, they goes to sweet shop. Someone purchases revadi. Revadi means it's a kind of sweet which is made up of sugar. Somebody purchases gulab jamun, somebody purchases halwa. Mohsin says to Hamid to purchase revadi. It is very tasty, but Hamid says, you keep with you only. I too have money, I don't want what you're thinking. Um, like that. सम्मी बोला, 3 ही पैसे तो है, 3 पैसे में क्या क्या लोगे? हमीद मौन रहा. Then Sammi says, you had only 3 paise, no? What you are going to purchase with 3 paise? Like that. Then Hamid stays calm. मिठाइयों के बाद लोहे की चीज़ों की दुकानें आती है. After sweet shop, iron metal shop comes. कई चिमटे रखे हुए हैं. In that shops there were many iron tongs. Tongs means say children for cooking chapati we use one pakad no, to to change the position of the roti. That is iron chimta means that one. Then see what happened. हामिद को ख्याल आती है, दादी के पास चिमटा नहीं है. तब से रोटियां उतारती है तो हाथ जल जाते हैं. अगर चिमटा ले जाकर दादी को दे दे, वह कितनी प्रसन्न होगी. फिर उनकी उंगलियां कभी नहीं जलेगी. Immediately he gets an idea. Then immediately he got an idea that of his grandmother, that she don't have that tongue. While cooking the chapati, her fingers are burning. If I purchase this tongue, it may be helpful for her, and she feels very happy. दादी माँ चिमटा देखते ही दौड़कर मेरे हाथ से ले लेगी और कहेगी, मेरा बच्चा अम्मा के लिए चिमटा लाया है. हजारों दुआएं देती रहेगी. फिर पड़ोसी औरतों को दिखाएगी. सारे गांव में चर्चा होने लगेगी. हमें चिमटा लाया है, कितना अच्छा लड़का है. बड़ों की दुआएं सीधे अल्लाह के दरबार में पहुंचती है और तुरंत सुनी जाती है. हामिद ने दुकानदार से पूछा, यह चिमटा कितने का है? 6 पैसे. कीमत सुनकर हामिद का दिल बैठ गया. हामिद ने कलेजे मजबूत करके कहा, 3 पैसे लोगे? दुकानदार ने बुलाकर चिमटा दे दिया. हामिद ने उसे इस तरह कंधे पर रखा मानो बंदूक हो और शान से उखड़ता हुआ संगियों के पास आया. दोस्तों ने मजाक किया, यह चिमटा क्यों लाया पगले, इसे क्या करोगे? Then after what he is thinking, if I purchase and if I give this to granny, she feels very happy. After reaching home, she comes to him and says, my dear, you brought this for me. She will give thousands of blessings. Then she will show that to all her neighbors, and everyone in the village talks about this thing only, about him only, and they all give her and all they will give blessings to him. directly all those blessings to be heard by the god. Like that he's thinking. Now he started, now he asked the cost of that tongue to the shopkeeper. Then the shopkeeper said it costs of 6 paise. Now he was thinking, he was hesitating because he had only 3 paise. Now he got sad because he had only 3 paise. No, now he decided to dare to bargain it for 3 paise. He decided, now will no, I will bargain it for 3 paise. Like that he decided. Then he said, he asked the shopkeeper, will you give it for 3 paise? Then shopkeeper said, okay, come, I'll give it for you. Like that he said. Now he purchased that and he kept that on his shoulders like a gun and went to his friends. Now his friends started teasing, what is this fool? Why you purchase this? What are you going to do with this? Like that his friends are teasing him. Then see what happened. घर आने पर अमीना हामिद की आवाज़ सुनती है, दौड़ी और उसे गोद में उठाकर प्यार करने लगी। सहसा हाथ में चिमटा देकर वह चौंकी। See what happened then? After reaching home, Amina came outside so fast and she took him in her laps and started pampering. After seeing the tongue in his hand, she gets shocked. यह चिमटा कहाँ से लाया? From where did you brought this tongue? Like that she asked. मैंने मोल लिया है अम्मा, he said. I purchased granny. At कितने पैसे में? At what cost? 3 पैसे में. I purchased it for 3 पैसे. अमीना ने अपने माथे पर हाथ रखा. She is holding her head. वह अफसोस करती हुई भरती हुई बोली, यह कैसा बेसमझ लड़का है कि दोपहर हुई कुछ खाया ना कुछ पिया। लाया क्या चिमटा? सारे मेले में तुझे और कोई चीज ना मिली जो यह लोहे का चिमटा उठा लाया। And she was saying, what a foolish boy is he? Don't he understand anything? It was afternoon. From the morning he didn't eat anything or not even he drink anything. And see what he purchased, this tongue. Don't he get any things to purchase or what? Like that she is saying. हामिद ने अपराधी भाव से कहा, तुम्हारी उंगलियां तवे से जल जाती थी। यह मुझसे देखा ना जाता था अम्मा, इसलिए मैं इसे लिवा लाया। What he's saying? Now Hamid is looking to her in a guilty way. He's thinking that he made some mistake. That's why he's looking to her in a guilty way. And then he said that daily while you are cooking chapati, your fingers are burning. That was not seen by me, Granny. That's why I purchased this. Daily while you are preparing roti, no, your fingers are burning. So that can't be seen by me. That's why I purchased this. अमीना का क्रोध तुरंत स्नेह में बदल गया. Amina's anger immediately changed into affection. यह मुख्य स्नेह था, मार्मिक प्रेम था, जो रस और स्वाद से भरा. बच्चे में कितना त्याग, कितना सद्भाव और कितना विवेक है. दूसरों को खिलौने लेते और मिठाइयाँ खाते देख कर इसका मन कितना ललचाया होगा. वह भी अपनी बुढ़िया दादी की याद बनी रही. अमीना का मन गदगद हो गया. आंचल फैलाकर हमीद को दुआएं देती जाती और आंसुओं की बड़ी बड़ी बूंदें गिराती जाती थी. हामिद इसका रहस्य क्या समझता? This was a silent affection, very influential love with complete feeling. See, that boy was very sacrificed, very polite, very kind. Once imagine, when others are purchasing toy sweets, he too fell to play to eat. Because he is just 4 to 5 year old boy, but he didn't do like that. He just thought for his grandmother. He cared for her. After thinking all this, Amina felt too bad and felt so happy for this, for his care and affection. She gave thousands of blessings to him and she got happy tears. But Hamid didn't understood the reason behind her happy behind her tears.